Hi everyone. So this is a tutorial series on the DTA Baze University Capstone project, and the first question is an analysis of feedback themes, and they gave a suggested feedback theme that we should um, categorize customer feedback based on this feedback theme. So if you go to the data, what they are referring to is the customer feedback, right? So where is it? Also the customer feedback. So in order for you to get a categorization of it, you need to know the number of feedbacks that was given based on their unique value. So people would repeat feedbacks and want to know which are the unique feedbacks. For me to do that, I'll just copy the feedback column and all its entries and take it to a new sheet and go to data, remove duplicates, right? So you can see that I have 37 unique and 1,345 duplicates, and so this will give me an idea of um, the unique customer feedback, and then I can categorize them based on this suggested theme. And you can use AI to ask it to do this for you, and it's going to do that. So you see AI categorize this customer feedback based on this suggested theme, and if you just copy and paste it on AI, it's going to do it for you. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.